Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today we're stripping away the stigma to explore the root causes and the natural remedies for a highly sensitive men's health issue, penile hypersensitivity. Look, it's a topic that's often completely shrouded in embarrassment, but as we'll see in the source material today, understanding the actual mechanics of your own body is step number one toward reclaiming your confidence and your health. So let me ask you straight up, are you silently struggling with early discharge? Do you feel this constant, distracting irritation? Or maybe you're dealing with frequent, uncontrollable leakage. If any of this rings true for you, I want to instantly validate your experience right now. You are absolutely not alone, and no, it is not just in your head. As our source material breaks down, these frustrating and, frankly, embarrassing symptoms are incredibly common. And the good news, they have clear, identifiable triggers that we're going to unpack together today. Section 1, the problem of hypersensitivity. Let's take a look at exactly what is happening anatomically to trigger these daily struggles. What's really fascinating here is the sheer scale of the anatomy involved. The private part contains thousands of nerve endings. Now, naturally, these are meant for pleasure and intimacy, but hypersensitivity is essentially a massive overreaction of this precise neural network. When these nerves get hyperactive, their threshold drops dramatically. This means that instead of requiring, normal stimulation, just simple touches, basic insertion, or literally just the everyday friction of walking can lead directly to premature discharge. It's like your body is reacting to a whisper as if it were a shout. And this hypersensitivity isn't just an intimacy issue, it totally cascades into your daily life. Think about step 1. You've got constant physical friction from simply wearing your underwear. Because the nerves are on overdrive, step 2 kicks in, which is this constant irritation and a persistent feeling of wetness. And that heightened state, well, it leads directly to step 3, frequent leakage. It's just an incredibly stressful and embarrassing cycle where you're constantly feeling physical discomfort paired with the non-stop anxiety of unwanted wetness throughout your day. Section 2, root causes, mental versus physical. This hypersensitivity doesn't just magically appear out of thin air. It stems from two very distinct root causes that we need to unpack. So the crucial point here is that we're essentially looking at a dual front battle. On one side, we have psychological causes. We're talking mental hurdles like stress, depression, and anxiety that completely disrupt the brain signaling to the body. On the flip side, we have physical causes, actual blockages, poor hygiene, or infections that directly and locally aggravate your body's nerve endings. Understanding which side of this equation is driving your specific symptoms is absolutely key to solving them. Section 3, mental causes and the impact of stress. We honestly often forget just how powerfully the mind controls the body. Our source highlights something super vital here. Stress and depression act like a chaotic force within your system. Think of your brain as the master regulator. When you're carrying a heavy mental load of anxiety or depression, that master regulator gets thrown totally off balance. It disrupts your body's natural functions and creates this devastating chain reaction. The mental turbulence actually prevents your body from regulating its nerve signals properly, which leads directly to that physical hypersensitivity we were just talking about. Your mental stress is literally manifesting as physical overstimulation. Section 4, physical causes, infections, and injury. Let's shift our focus away from the mind for a second and look at the anatomical reasons causing those thousands of nerve endings to go into overdrive. There are a few specific physical triggers you need to be aware of. First up is phimosis, which is a tight foreskin. That alone can cause immense local sensitivity. Then there's poor hygiene. If the area isn't cleaned properly, trapped urine, sweat, and dirt just sit there directly against those sensitive nerves, causing severe irritation and eventually infection. In fact, pretty much any general bodily infection can spike your sensitivity as your whole immune system reacts. Finally, any direct physical injury or trauma to the area can leave those nerves permanently on edge. These are direct physical aggravators that are just constantly pinging your nervous system. Section 5, herbal solutions and natural remedies. All right, we've explored the causes, so let's move on to the practical treatments detailed in our source material that offer some real hope. The source details a specific supplement approach called Minister's Vigor for Men. Let's break it down. First, we have Enostem, which is derived from mango and pomegranate extracts. Its primary benefit? It significantly increases and improves vital blood flow to the area, which we all know is essential for proper function and maintaining stiffness. Second, we've got Safed Musli. This is highlighted in the text as a really powerful natural testosterone booster. By elevating your testosterone naturally, it helps restore your body's baseline performance and overall strength. Next, the source outlines a topical approach, specifically the Minister's Enhance for Men massage oil. Notice how these exact ingredients target the physical symptoms we just discussed. Clove oil is the absolute star player here for directly reducing and numbing that extreme nerve hypersensitivity. Then you have L-arginine, an amino acid that gets right to work locally repairing blood vessels. And finally, aloe vera provides deep skin nourishment and acts as a protective barrier to prevent the very fungal infections that cause irritation in the first place. But hey, you don't necessarily need specialized formulations to start seeing improvement today. The source shares some simpler, everyday home remedies that are actually incredibly effective. Just consistently massaging the affected area with plain coconut oil or diluted clove oil can gradually and safely train those nerve endings to calm down. It's all about introducing gentle, controlled friction in a safe environment. Over time, that practice helps dial back that overwhelming hypersensitivity. It's a highly practical daily habit you can start right away. Section 6. Consult a doctor and seek professional help. Let's transition to what is arguably the most critical piece of advice we have for you today. I want to read this quote directly from this source material. It says, "I am not a doctor. Definitely meet a good doctor." This brilliantly illustrates such a crucial point. While herbal supplements, natural remedies, and daily massages are incredibly helpful starting points for managing your symptoms, they are absolutely not a replacement for a professional medical diagnosis. Because hypersensitivity can be linked to much deeper psychological distress or hidden physical infections, getting advice from a qualified medical professional is absolutely essential for your long-term recovery and your peace of mind. So that brings us to our final question for you. Will you push past the embarrassment today to truly understand your body and seek the professional help you deserve? As we've seen, penile hypersensitivity is a mechanical and psychological issue. It is not a personal failing. You have the knowledge now. You know about the nerve endings, the massive impact of stress, the physical triggers, and the natural pathways to relief. Please don't let stigma keep you suffering in silence. Take these insights, take control of your health, and take that brave step to consult a professional. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.